Day 26 of being a chef on a yacht. For breakfast, I'm making almond flour pancakes with a side of cottage cheese and sliced tomatoes. I'm not much of a baker or a measurer, so I'm really happy how these pancakes turned out. After breakfast, we got underway. Captain Mark did his captaining, Jerry did engine room check, and then I commandeered the yacht. Then got started on lunch prep. I'm doing a spinach salad with a side of meatballs. Somehow I had reception out at sea, so I went live for a bit with my little chefs, and lunch is served. After lunch, I started marinating my steaks for tonight. I'm doing just like a honey Dijon marinade. I also made a broccoli salad, which is probably one of my favorites. It has some sour cream, mayonnaise, broccoli, cranberries, pumpkin seeds, cheese, and bacon. I grilled my steaks and also just decided to throw the romaine on the grill too, just give it a little char. Started to plate up dinner, look at this gorgeous medium rare steak, set the table upstairs, and dinner served. While the guests are eating, the crew eats as well. So we'll serve ourselves a plate and head up to the bridge to eat. And Captain Mark was the honorary little chef of the night. Bye, little chef.